So you clicked on this video because you want to know more about interesting hobbies that are not common, like knitting, pottery, all of that. Those are also good, but you don't want that. You want something that stimulates your brain but at the same time are cozy and something that you can do easily but are very unique, very niche, might help you learn something or no, it's completely up to you. Now people have a lot of hobbies. They have reading, they have cycling, they have working out, they have Pilates. I don't know why I'm just listing out hobbies that are related to physical fitness, but it's just coming up into my mind. People have collecting stones, collecting stamps, different types of perfume. Like I saw this thing. Shut up. Let's get into the main video because otherwise I'm going to spiral into another whole sector. So number one, let's talk about the first hobby that literally intrigued me so much: escape puzzle books. You might have heard about these on maybe Amazon or Instagram or wherever you scroll. So these puzzle books where you have to solve a puzzle manually in order to get to the next chapter, in order to get to the next step. It's really stimulating is what I've heard. I haven't tried it once. You are someone who loves to solve things, if you love puzzles, if you're someone who was grown up with these escape room games, I think this is the perfect hobby for you. There are so many books and variations available on Amazon, Hatchet, and a couple of different websites. You can type escape puzzle printable on Pinterest and you can just download it and print it so that you can just try first कि ठीक है ये कुछ ऐसा है जो मुझे सही में अच्छा लगता है या नहीं before you buy the whole book. Number second is something that I have also started. Wait. Yeah. So this is a wax seal kit. So you can actually start your own wax seal letter writing. So you can send out letters to your friends, to your family, or even if you don't want to send any letter, just making seals. Can you look at this? I received this as a gift from one of my college friends during Secret Santa. These two stamp stencils. So you just attach this onto this seal, wax seal. I don't know what it's called. Google करेंगे. And then you attach it here. Like इसके साथ भी एक है. If you can see. If you attach it, you melt some amazing wax using this chammach and a candle. And then you pour this on a paper or anything that you want to seal, or even if you don't want to seal, you just pour it on the paper and it's so shimmery and it's so beautiful. You can just collect different, or you can just have it in your junk journal or your journals, or you can actually send out letters. Teach you slowing down. It's going to help you communicate better if you're going into letter writing. See the wax pouring down. Amazing. You can find these wax seal kits on Amazon, on Meesho also, and you can just buy a smaller kit with just one stencil and one wax kadabba and start with it. And if you like it, you can continue. Number 3 on my list is something that I came around really recently because I didn't know anything like this existed. So these are alternate reality games in which actually is something that you solve together with a couple of people on the internet. So the clues and mysteries and everything are spread across entire internet. So it could be on their official channel or YouTube or Instagram or their Discord, whatever it is. So you collect these clues, solve those mysteries together and actually solve. अब उसमें क्या है, murder है, game है, I don't know, but these are alternate reality games. Some of the examples that I came across, now this is something very new, but I think I thought this would be really great in this list. So the secret world of the house has people in it and so on and so forth. You can Google it and you can find a ton of games around there. Fourth, this is something that I really was excited about trying: amateur astronomy. Now you don't have to be really intelligent and you don't have to go through this thick encyclopedias in order to learn about astronomy. Why? Because there are cheap apps on Play Store, free apps on Play Store that you can download and learn about constellations, stars, universe. And if that's not enough for you, that simulation is not enough for you, you can ChatGPT, you have Pinterest, you have virtual planetariums on Google, and I'm telling you, it's so fun. Learning about things that way actually increases your knowledge, but second, it gives you a break from the real world that is existing right now, and you study about something that is so unique and so beautiful, and or go into depth ki haan, this is something for me. You can just download a stargazing app or learn more about constellations. I'm telling you, there are so many virtual reality videos and planetariums on YouTube and Google that are really good. I hope this is helping. So these are bookmarks. Okay, these gorgeous bookmarks that you see over here. So as someone who loves reading, someone who loves collecting things, someone who loves Lego or puzzles, this is a step ahead, right? So you're creating this elaborate detailed book notes for your shelves or anything that they have multiple version of it. And if you know, I haven't done a physical book nook yet, but I created one on my Blender. If you know that 3D software, I did it on Blender. But what you can do is you can buy smaller kits first and then try if you like it, collecting pieces. It's more like Lego and puzzle, but you can start with it. But I thought this is really good, and in this list, no, it would be really fun. If you're on your self-improvement journey, I think hobbies are really cool. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to list down a couple of more hobbies in the description below. You can just comment down which one really intrigued you, or is there a hobby that you do that you would love to share with the world. Bye.